Welcome. In this video, I'll walk you through the process of how to make light effects using CorelDRAW. Any Corel, this trick work for all CorelDRAW from Corel X7 till Corel 2025. Even to see if you have the latest version, it still works for it. Just stick with me to the very end of this video. I'm going to show you exact process of how to do it inside of CorelDRAW. And I said earlier, it works in all version of CorelDRAW. I know you must be wondering, oh, how do I get this light effect? How do I do it? How do I do it? How do I do it? Yeah, you're welcome to this channel. This channel is very helpful to beginner and those who was already using CorelDRAW, who wants to know more or wants to get idea of different or various things you need. That flyer, business flyer, branding, all thing, every other thing regarding design. This channel is helpful to you. You're welcome. If you have not subscribed yet, please just do that in a sec and turn on the notification to be the first to be notified when I drop amazing video like this. Now let's get straight into the video. Using light effects in your designs, first you need to download it from Pinterest.com. That's if you're using their website or using their app. Go to Pinterest, search for light effect. You're gonna see something. You're gonna see this. Yeah, I'm gonna say I was gonna make design, so I just brought it, so I will show you. You see, I was gonna make, look at, you just go and download. Download it, is gonna be like this. You see, it's gonna be like this. Most time when you download it, the file will be in the file will not, if you download it, when you save it to your system, it may open, it may not open. So what you just do is just automatically you just receive it in your system. If it's already in your desktop, that's if you save it automatically. This after using Bluetooth to send to your system or use code any image you can send it, or you just set to download it. Just receive the picture again, receive it, save it as, just click on it double. Once you open it, just click on Ctrl S to save, then just use another line like light effect so you could remember it any other time. So after you save it, you go to CorelDRAW, import it, and see it will work. That's how to do it. Just give you that simple trick. Now after doing that, what's next thing you're gonna do? As you can see, this one, this light effect helped me to make this place attractive. Now you can see, let me move it and see. You see the face is just summer. It's giving one kind of vibe. You see, it's not really too much attractive, but you see the difference with light effects. You see the light effect on top. Now let me show you how to do it. I'm going to use this my untitled one, so I'm not going to save it. Look at it. After you import the picture, here's what you're going to do. Just come over straight, like exactly what I'm doing. You don't go there. Come over to transparency. You can see my cursor. Transparency. Then come over to you're not clicking anything here. You're not uniform. That's not what you're doing. Just come over to uniform. I know most people will say, oh, you drag, drop using this shadow to you drag a little bit, you start making adjustments to, you see, those kind of things. No, you're not doing that. Just come over to transparency. Man, they are not using uniform fee. That's very bad. That's what you are doing. So just click that. Come over to normal. You can see this one. You have this merge mode. Click on it. As you can see my cursor. Then come over straight. Just look down. Come down. Come down. Till you find this. You can see my cursor. Till you find screen. Just click on screen. You can see that the background, that's the black background, automatically disappears. And here we can place our light effects. You can see. Now let me just power clip inside of, okay, this one. Let me Control X and let me Control V. You can see I just copied and paste. You can see the light effect. Exactly, that's how you do light effect using inside of CorelDRAW. I said it works in all version of CorelDRAW. So I'll be dropping more tips like this in this channel. Please do it to subscribe, like, and comment. If you want me to design any other thing to show you any other means or any other way on how to get any other thing in CorelDRAW that is difficult for you, please put that in the comment section. I'm going to go through and respond to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.